Hey, what's up, guys? Just giving you a quick review on this Duck Standard Strength stretch wrap. To me, I think this is one of those things that I find like tons of uses for all the time, so I always keep this stuff around. Obviously, it's really good for like moving, wrapping up your dishes or whatever your boxes. Some of the things that I've used it for, storage totes. I mean, most people have some type of storage totes or something in the house. I like to take this stuff and just kind of wrap it around the tops of my storage totes just to make sure nothing gets in there. It's super good. Sometimes I use it to just like tie stuff up together real quick, right? Like sometimes I might wrap up some cables or something really quick. But I use this stuff all the time. But one of my major things that I like to use it for is actually in shipping. So I'll use this in combination with like some bubble wrap or something. So something I want to make sure I keep it secure and tight and safe. I use this and I wrap it up. And the stuff is like, it's super stretchy and it does a good job at sticking to itself. So, I mean, I've used other ones that don't cling very well. So you wrap it around and it kind of just flaps off. This stuff does a really good job. Like I said, really stretchy. It's durable. I mean, it's a bit hard to break, which to me is a good thing. But, maybe scissors, a knife, whatever. You can't break it yourself. But I definitely think this is something to keep around the house, especially if you're doing any of the things like I mentioned. So I think this is a good product compared to many of the other ones that I've tried. So if you're looking for a good stretch wrap, this is a good way to go.